Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update. Already a few thunderstorms moving through the region this morning. You can see just kind of a little line that is formed there that is moving east of Interstate 49. Some thunder and lightning, no anticipation of any severe weather with any of this activity, but it will bring some brief heavy downpours here over the next few hours. And as we go through the day, we are expecting that scattered thunderstorm chance will continue for much of the region here. So as far as what we're seeing this morning, again, most of us in the mid to upper 40s, so it is cool out there, but not quite as cold as what we saw yesterday. Winds remain out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and it will be another light wind day for us. And you see your afternoon high temperatures, most of us in the 50s today, but we do have a warm front that will move through this afternoon, so that will push Natchitoches to about 67 degrees and 60 in Mansfield, and we'll see that warmer air push through the rest of the region tonight, and that is what is basically going to set the stage for some of that severe weather potential as we go through your Saturday morning. You see yesterday, the frontal boundary out in the Gulf of Mexico, it is now moving inland, so it is kind of migrating north as a warm front now will make its way in later in the day today. The trigger for the severe weather, still that big upper level low that's down towards California, Arizona this morning, and it is going to lift up, basically follow those lines in the atmosphere, kind of move up towards Missouri, and as it does so, it is going to nudge that front through the Arklatex tomorrow morning, and that's what will bring our severe weather potential. Before we get there, let me talk about the severe weather risk today. We do have all of our counties and parishes in that marginal risk potential here, especially later today. We could see some hail with some of those storms that make their way through, maybe a few wind gusts, but widespread severe weather or any kind of scattered severe weather really not expected for us today into tonight, but it will be early tomorrow morning before daybreak. May see a little bit of that severe weather potential ramp up. This is mainly going to be a morning severe weather event for us. You see most of our counties and parishes, especially across Arkansas, Louisiana, and East Texas in that slight risk zone, and it looks like the highest threat for severe weather probably going to be across the northern Arklatex here, and you see the threats, basically high wind, tornadoes, hail, everything will be on the table for us here, and could see some scattered severe weather. That's what that slight risk means for us. Futurecast showing as we go through the day today may not see as much rain as we saw yesterday, but it will definitely be out there throughout the day, especially ramping up as that warm front makes its way in this afternoon, this evening. You see those storms popping up, Futurecast indicating after sunset tonight. Some of those could be the ones that do contain some large hail, but here comes the main line of storms. So this is just before sunrise, should be moving into Oklahoma and northeast Texas here, and as it picks up steam and kind of moves to the east, we will see that severe weather threat ramp up, especially across Arkansas and Louisiana as we go through the morning. So this particular Futurecast model here puts it into Texarkana about 8 o'clock in the morning. May see storms begin to form and make their way through Shreveport at about 9 o'clock, and then as we go into the afternoon here, you see a few storms left over at about 1, but the severe weather threat should end rather quickly west to east as we go through the morning here, and some drier air making its way back out. So may even see some sunshine pop back out and by the time the parade starts here in Shreveport for Mardi Gras, and then sunshine expected for much of the day on Sunday. Will be a nice and pleasant end to the weekend for us. Futurecast showing maybe some 1 to 2 inch rainfall amounts here. We could see some isolated spots that pick up a little bit more than that, but at this point any kind of flash flooding not anticipated at this point, but due to some of that rainfall there may be some standing water out there, especially along the parade route, some of those low-lying areas as we go through the morning and early afternoon tomorrow. 7 days showing you the low 60s on Sunday. We get a break from the rain Monday. Looks like some scattered showers will be possible Tuesday through Thursday of next week. Pretty nice temperatures on the way next week. We'll have highs in the 60s and overnight lows in the 30s and 40s.